Welcome back. Turning now to Arizona, where former New York City Mayor and Trump ally Rudy Giuliani pleaded not guilty yesterday to 9 felony charges, including conspiracy, fraud, and forgery for his efforts to overturn the results of the 2020 election there. Giuliani, who was arraigned over video call, was not happy about being ordered to pay a $10,000 bond.
I've been sued about 20 to 25 times by a very, very similar movement to this one, which is the let's see what we can do to destroy Donald Trump movement.
Okay, give me just a moment. Okay, sir,
I think it'd be outrageous if you set a bond in this completely political case that comes very, very late.
All right, sir.
Could have been brought 3 years ago.
Giuliani, I don't want to mute you, but I need to move on.
I don't want to mute you, but I need to move on. Elliot, this is clearly a man who needs money, right? Which is, I think, part of why he was complaining about this. He also yesterday posted the following. We had actually seen, we've discussed this coffee he's hawking on the show before, but now we've actually got an ad for it that says, when you buy his coffee, you are buying a lot more than coffee. Watch.
You all know I stand by the truth. And if I put my name on something, I truly believe in it. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to something I'm incredibly proud of. My own brand of organic specialty coffee, Rudy Coffee. It's so good, I even recommend drinking it black. By supporting Rudy Coffee, you're not just treating yourself to exceptional coffee, you're also supporting our cause. The cause of truth, justice, and American democracy.
You too can support American democracy by drinking Rudy's coffee. Reminder, he is being charged with essentially falsely trying to steal the election.
Right, and getting back to what we were talking about before the commercial break, this idea of where we've gone in 2024, how the mighty have fallen. And having grown up outside New York City, Matt too, I remember Rudy Giuliani on the rubble after 9/11 and literally America's mayor, and watching this is almost sad and pathetic to see. Now, to your point about his needing money, that was actually one of the bases that he claimed for why they couldn't serve process on him. If viewers remember, they couldn't find him to give him this notice of this indictment because he, for some period of time, they finally caught him at his 80th birthday party. Well, he claimed that his apartment, he had to lock it down because people were threatening him, and he doesn't have the money anymore to pay security. Therefore, he would not let court officials up to his apartment to hand him news of his indictment or the indictment. All of this is to say what a horrible place the former mayor is in. But again, he cannot escape the arm of the reach of the law, and he ought to know that. And we'll see.
Yeah, no, innocent until proven guilty, but you're right. Like, I mean, this was a meeting before he was mayor. The guy took down the mob in New York City in the 80s, was a legendary figure in really taking down that. America's mayor, around 9/11, also cleaned up New York City in a lot of ways and had every blue chip client essentially upon leaving office was very well set if you talked to him, say, in 2004, right? And now where he is just kind of hawking coffee for what seems like a pretty high price.
$29.99 for 2 pounds.
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah.
It seems a little high to me. Although I don't know, inflation. Prices have gone up.